going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing one of my Etsy orders. So I brought out the camera so I got to show you guys the process of how I get my Etsy orders done. So it's just going to be a little quick video. So I'm going to get right into the process, show you how to cut the vinyl and then press it up on the press and then get the packaging ready. Alright, so I have everything already loaded into my Cricut program. I got my vinyl already cut out, ready to go on here. I'm going to set that in there. Make sure you mirror all your projects when you're doing them for t-shirts. Okay, I'm just gonna let it cut. So now I'm going to weed this out, and I'm not going to bore you with the weeding of it, so I'm just going to speed this one up real quick before I weed all this out. I looked at his order. Obviously, I can't show you guys that. He wants a large black. Here's my lint roller, where you're going to put the transfer at, and the vinyl. Give it a 5-second pre-press to get the moisture out of it. Get your heat gun. I have one of these. You can get these on Amazon or basically anywhere. You can search them on Google. They're just for your to center up your transfers, and so you can do left chest guide, right chest guide. It's basically the same thing as going your 3-finger roll down. Shirt center. These are going to be a hot peel. Make sure your platen's at the right temp. I'm pressing this for 15 seconds at 335. Alright guys, so here's a shirt I did for my Etsy order. If you want to look at any of the shirts I have, go to my Etsy, it's in my bio on my YouTube. There's a bunch of different shirts on there you can get. I'm gonna get the printing labels for it, the shipping labels, and then I'm gonna get packaged up. You're good, I think, too. Slow down. Alright, just hit review your purchase. Purchase. Print shipping label. It's gonna back to the printer. I have it in bubble.
You don't give me a package list?
I'm gonna give them, yeah, I'm gonna print that out after. Alright, so basically what I do now is I have one of these t-shirt folders. Fold at the bottom here. Just bring these sleeves in when it's on a large, or like an extra large or a 3X. Just fold them in. Back here. Take the how to take card, care card, put that in there, thank you card, and a business card. And their packing slip, what they ordered. Check it, make sure I got everything right. These bags and this t-shirt folder, I got all off of Amazon. I can leave links in the description for them. Also, I got poly mailers too. I believe these are 15 by 12, but I'll put the link in the description too for these. Poly nailers are waterproof too. So I figured I'd put this in there. I work at 9 to 5 still. So usually when I do my Etsy orders, I go on my break. I have a post office that's about a block away, maybe two blocks away from where I work. And I run up and drop my packages off that have to go. It's a lot easier. Once I start getting more orders, obviously I'm probably just gonna have them pick it up at the house. But for right now, I just drop them off myself up at the post office. It's a lot easier. it. That's how I do my Etsy orders for right now till I get bigger. So I'll keep running to the post office and stuff until I get a ton of orders in one day, and then I'll just have them start picking them up at my house. But that's it for that. Alright guys, so that's how you do an Etsy order real quick. So I'll put everything in the description, the poly mailers, the other bags that I have, thank you cards, all that stuff. So if you would, like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to keep coming out some more of this t-shirt content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.